Good morning, everybody out there in keyboard land. Bad Mark here with MacTech. Listen, this is just a real quick video. I'm not going to do much editing on it. I just received this Npet mechanical keyboard. Now, it came up on Amazon. Another member of Budget Keybs brought it up. This is a $17 keyboard. Now, based on the dimensions, I still have not opened this, so it's going to be first impressions unboxing. It has the exact same dimensions as the TES68, or better known as the Tester68, that has been put out by several different companies, although this one does not appear to be hot swappable. It appears to be soldered in. But at $17, we figured, hey, why not? Let's give it a look and see what we get. Now, I believe this one I ordered with red switches. I don't recall exactly, but a $17 mechanical keyboard from. Alright, so it seems like a regular keyboard. The reason that I feel it's the same, the backlights here match the lights, and as well as the dimensions. Now also the fact that this is not a wired board. This has the same, go ahead and take this out of the way for a second, the same battery compartment and switch as does, this is the Newfie's TES68, but basically, as you can see, the feet seem to be in the exact same position, the angles seem to be exactly the same. The battery compartment, as well as the storage for the 2.4 receiver and the on and off switch, appear to be in the exact same position. So this does appear to be a soldered only version. Now, I can tell you by comparison, notice the difference? This one has padding and you can actually see it through the translucency. This one, though, a lot more hollow. So I'm going to assume that this is not only the cheaper version because it's not hot swappable, but also because it does not have the case foam and the PCB foam. So yes, I know I have the switch puller. I just didn't want to pull it out. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, we got red switches, and they seem to be red. Are these? It looks like Red Dragon, and it actually looks like they're slightly lubed, if I'm not mistaken. Although they still sound scratchy. But yeah, this keyboard appears to be just a new version of the Tester68, but hot wired. So this one should be a fun little project that I'm going to get into. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I'm in the middle of work right now, but this just came in and I thought it would be, because I was almost certain that this was the same as the Tester68. So I will do another video later on where I open her up and we'll take a look at the insides and go ahead and do some modifications. And I actually have another one of these coming as well, and I'm going to go ahead and try to, I'm going to go ahead and solder, take out the soldered socket, or take out, I need coffee, take out the soldered switches and put in some Milmax so that we can make it hot swappable. Obviously, unless it has the spots for the Kale, because I do have some Kale sockets as well. But it definitely, as you can hear, is a lot louder. Now granted, I have much better switches in here and a much better keycap, so, but it's sounding like stock. They've definitely skipped out. Yeah, they definitely skipped out. But if you guys like the Tester68 and can't get a hold of it, I think this might be another option, especially if you're not afraid of a soldering iron. Now they do have, I think the other one I ordered was in black switches, so I may use this one as my board to play with and just leave the black one. I'll modify it, but leave it alone regardless. Although I may just desolder to put foam, if there's no foam between the plate and the PCB, which I'm fairly sure, by the way this sounds, that's the case. So yeah, so real quick guys, this is available right now on Amazon US. It's the Npet mechanical gaming keyboard. It's available for 17 bucks. And it is basically a soldered Tester68. They say manufacturer is Npet, but I don't know. So yeah, Npet K63-01. So that seems to be the case. It says it's available in white, but I did not see it in white. So just a quick video for you guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week. It's almost Friday. You guys stay safe, and make sure to come and join us over on Budget Keybs on Reddit. Subreddit all about, you know, getting a good mechanical keyboard without having to break your wallet. Hope you guys are all well. Keep on keyboard on. Keep calm and keyboard on. That's what I was trying to say.